Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm standing at MG, that is the Modis Garages, to show you the all new MG Aster. So stick with me up till the end of the video. So without delaying the process, let's get started with the intro. So guys, this is the all new MG Aster, and this is the car key. It gets lock, unlock and boot release options. Let's unlock the car. Guys, starting with the front profile, it gets the MG logo, and below it gets a camera. And at the bottom it gets a radar. So in total there are 6 radars in this car, because this car is equipped with AI technologies. And moreover, this is the all new design for the radiator grille. Talking about the headlamps, this is the all new headlamp, which is equipped with projector LEDs, fully LED headlamps, and at the bottom it gets your fog lamp as well. So this is the front profile. Talking about the bonnet, it gets character lines, only 2 character lines, 1 and 2, and if you can see very clearly, it also gets a camera up here. So that was pretty much everything about the front profile of the car. Now let's talk about the side profile of this vehicle. Guys, this is the side profile of this car. Starting with the wheels, these are the diamond cut alloy wheels, and on the top variant it gets 4 disc brakes, and this is the top variant, so therefore this car gets 4 disc brakes in all the 4 wheels, and it gets this plastic wheel arches which gives that rugged look. And this car doesn't get any kind of boxy looking design as a whole, because there are few cars in the same segments which gets this boxy design, but this car is totally different. It gets this one camera under the ORVM as well for 360-degree view. The door handles are done with chrome, and the request sensor is also given in chrome, and the window lining, you guys, is also given in chrome. And there is a roof rail on offer as well, and the B pillars are blacked out. And talking about the ORVM, it gets a lane departure warning as well. You can see the little logo there. Moving on, this is the fuel tank, and the rear lamps are stretched up till this part for better looks. As a whole, the character lines of this car is very subtle, and on the bottom it gets a lower damper as well, which also enhances the look of this vehicle. So that was pretty much everything about the side profile of this car. So now let's talk about the rear profile of this vehicle. So guys, this is the rear profile of this car. It gets a high mount stop lamp, and it gets a shark fin antenna as well. And if you can see, it gets a panoramic sunroof. I'll show you this one in a bit. Talking about the amenities also, it gets this defogger and a rear wiper. It gets this MG logo, which is also the pull lever for the for the boot. I'll show you in a bit. The Aster branding across the boot. It gets the ZS badging, and of course the ADAS badging as well. Moving down, it gets the parking sensors, which is also helping the radars to detect the rear surroundings, and there is a radar here as well. It's invisible, but there are radars here as well. And this is the another parking sensor, and this is your parking camera, along with another rear centrally placed parking sensor. And talking about the lights, it gets a fully LED light. I'll just show you how these lights look. Let me just lock the car, and now I'll unlock it again. So there you go, you can see the LED lights. It gives an awesome look. These are just design elements, you guys. This is blocked, this is also blocked. It gets a rear skid plate which is in silver finish. Again, this is blocked. These are the reflectors. and also the rear fog lamps is integrated in it. And now let's just open the boot. For that there are two options. One, just using this, and there is another option I'll just show you, that is with the key. So this is the key. There you go. So this is the boot, you guys. Talking about the amenities, it gets boot lamp in one side. It gets plenty amount of space down here and also down here. And if you are wondering where is the spare wheel, it's right here along with the toolkits, and it gets a net barrier in both the sides. I don't know if you can see. So this is the boot on, and this is the parcel tray as well. So now let's close the boot using this grab handle, and now let's get inside of this vehicle. I'll lock the car and I'll unlock it with this briefcase sensor so that you can see. So there the car goes unlocked. Talking about the door, it gets the lock unlock button, pull lever to open the door. This is in very good finish. These are the power window controls, grab handles, soft touch leather wrapped, hard plastic, kind of hard plastic, space to keep a bottle and an umbrella maybe. And this is the speaker, and this is the interior at a glance. It gets electrically adjusted driver seats in one, height and everything, recline, front, everything is electrically adjusted. Now let's get inside of this. So guys, here I am inside the MG Aster. This is the leather wrap steering wheel, which is flat bottom. It gets the cruise control on this one. Where is it, the cruise control? Yeah, there is the cruise control, if you can see. Yeah, it gets the media controls on the left, and for the controls for the MID on the right side. And on the left side it gets automatic headlamps, and on the right side on the steering column it gets your wiper controls. There you go, if you can see, there it is. Steering column comes with only tilt adjustments, no telescopic adjustments. And moving down, it gets the ORVM controls to adjust it, and this is the headlight leveler. And more down if you go, it gets the bonnet pull lever and your petrol tank pull lever options, I mean the levers. Moving towards the central console of this car, it gets the very subtle AC vents in the center. It gets a humongous touchscreen infotainment system which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving down, it gets the controls for the same, and of course it gets the controls of the AC. I'm sorry, these are the controls of the AC, home, volume up, and these are the controls for the AC. And moving down, it gets two USB sockets. For one, as it's marked, phone mirroring or your USB, I mean your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and another one is for charging. This is the 12-volt power socket. You get a space to keep your mobile phone. So it's a matte, which is a good touch from MG. This is a 360 view button, traction control button, hill descent control button, and this is the gear lever, which is leather wrapped. This is the automatic version. This is the parking brake. This is the auto hold button, two cup holders, a decent sized armrest which is openable, and a decent sized glove box. Talking about the dashboard itself, it gets a dual treatment, rather I'll say a triple treatment. 1, 2, 3. This red color really appeals me, you guys. It's fully leather wrapped, and of course it's a soft touch material, and this is also soft touch material, but it's a bit harder compared to this. And this is the manual dimming IRVM, and this is the all new AI system for this vehicle. I'll show you in a bit how that works. And this is the start stop button. And what else? Yes, for the driver's side it gets a vanity mirror in the sun visor without any lamps, and same for the passenger side as well. This is your sunroof controls, lamp control, light controls for the cabin, speakers for your mobile controls, And that was everything about the front profile, you guys. Now let's get in the rear seats, but at first let's turn on the car. That's how the car comes alive. A fully digital instrument cluster. This is the screen, touch screen. Let me just reduce the volume. Okay, how to reduce the volume here?
All the best to you. Fuel level is below 1/8 tank. Please fuel your car.
We need to fuel this car, refuel this car. Anyways, so this is the.
Weather is mostly cloudy. 28.3 degrees.
Let it finish.
Kolkata.
First, this is the infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is a 360-degree view. I'll just show you. There you go. Fully 360-degree view. So now let's get in the rear seats of this car. There you go. This is the sunroof, you guys. You can open it further more. Okay, so it's a fully awesome view from up. So now let's close this and let's get inside in the rear seats.
Today's weather is clouds and sun. 29.4 degrees in Kolkata.
Hello, Esther.
I am listening.
Open the sunroof. Hello, Esther.
Yes.
Close the sunroof. The rear seats of this car. Talking about the door, again the same design language. This is the, what is that called? Your power window controls, grab handles, same design more or less, and this is the rear seats at a glance. Now let's get inside. So here I am in the rear seats of this car. I have got ample amount of leg room and knee room. All these seats are pushed all the way towards the back. Magazine holders. Headroom is sufficient for me. It gets rear AC vents along with USB sockets, and the middle hump is a bit high, so the middle passenger might find a bit difficulty to sit. 2 cup holders on offer, armrest, and these seats, you guys, are really comfortable. It captures you in very good positions, be it the front seat, be it the rear seats. I am now sitting in the rear seats, and I can say that this is just made for me because I can literally go anywhere in these seats. It's a fully leather wrapped interior and it feels really rich. It gets 3 individual headrest for better comfort for the people, and it also gets a 3rd window to a bit more lighting in the cabin. Grab handles on offer which is not soft close. That is a bit disappointing point in my opinion. So that was pretty much everything. Now let me show you how that system sounds. So that was the taste of the music. Now let me show you the engine bay. pretty much everything about the all new MG Aster. Hope you have liked it. Hit the like button if you have liked it. Subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Till then, see ya.